It's the end of another week and you have no idea how much money is actually owed to you. Paper tickets are scattered everywhere. Half your jobs are sitting in limbo. And you're treating your best customers exactly the same as the ones who drain your time and never come back. You're working harder than ever, but your shop feels completely out of control. Cash is tight, but you know people owe you money. The problem? You can't tell who owes what without flipping through stacks of invoices and work orders. Some jobs are paid, some aren't, and some customers are weeks overdue. You're basically giving away free credit because you can't track it. Revenue is there, buried somewhere in the chaos. A customer calls asking about their car. You have no idea where that job stands. Is it done? Still waiting on parts? Who's working on it? You scramble through paperwork, put them on hold, and look incompetent. Meanwhile, other jobs sit forgotten on the rack because nobody knew they were ready. You're losing money on work you've already done. Your most loyal customers walk in and you don't even recognize their value. The guy who spends $5,000 a year gets the same treatment as the price shopper who argues every charge. You have no clue who's actually keeping your business alive. So you can't reward loyalty, build relationships, or focus your energy where it counts. You're flying blind. The auto repair shop job tracker changes everything. When you open it, you see a clean, simple menu with everything you need: customer records, service orders, invoicing, payments, and the reports that give you instant control. No complexity. No learning curve. Just clarity, finally. Click Ord by Cust and every customer account appears in front of you, grouped and sorted with total billed, total paid, and total due. Filter by date, advisor, or status and you instantly know who owes money and how much. No more guessing. No more hunting. Overdue accounts jump out. Paid accounts are confirmed. You now control your cash flow instead of wondering where it went. Open Ordline DTL and you see the complete story of every service order: customer name, vehicle, complaint, advisor assigned, every line of labor and parts, pricing, discounts, tax, payment status, and whether each task is done. Filter by order number, customer, or date and pull up any job in seconds. Nothing falls through the cracks anymore. Every job is accounted for and tracked to completion. Pull up TopCust and your top 10 customers appear, ranked by total revenue. You see order count, total spent, and average ticket size for any date range you choose. Now you know exactly who deserves your best service, follow-up calls, and loyalty rewards. Stop treating everyone the same. Start recognizing and rewarding the customers who actually matter to your bottom line. This is a one-time download. No subscription. No monthly fees. No expiration. You buy it once and own it forever. Every service order, every dollar, every customer tracked and visible whenever you need it. Stop losing money to disorganization. Click the link below and get it today.